Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the July mystery box from Double Dip Nails, and I'm showing you everything that I got. The brown dip powder that I'm about to show, I did actually buy that separately. They just sent it in the box. The video is going way too fast for me to tell you all that I got, but yeah, you could see everything. They did send some cute stuff. And I will be doing my nails using that. So yeah, so just watch till I'm ready to show you my nails. I forgot that I am swatching the colors, and this is Cake Pop. It's really cute, but I don't think I would use it anytime soon. I just can't see myself doing anything with it yet, but it's really cute. Um, and they're buttery. The one glitter, it was, hard to work with. I had to figure it out. This is Kayla Lovey, I believe is what it's called. And as you can see, that's one of the beads. Like I said, super buttery, easy to work with. I have 7 of their dip powders so far. Love them all. So this is the one where I have to work with a dryer brush because it just didn't. I was trying to use a wet brush and it just was not working. But yeah, that's the one I'm actually going to be using for my nails as well. And this is the mystery color. So every box they send you a mystery color. I don't know if they're the same in every box, but I know, they send a mystery color. Mystery color. And this is what they all look like. That is what I'm going to be doing with my nails. I'm going to do some nail prep work because my four fingers are going to be pop off or press on nails. So I could still practice, but when I get dressed, go somewhere, I could glue them bad boys right back on. And I did do my right hand with my non-dominant hand, my left hand. And they came out, I think, better than the left hand. The design on the right hand, the left hand, the little glitters, the lines are like really stark, and these ones are, it's kind of marbled, so I really like it. I'm sorry. As far as cuticle work, I'm using a needle bit to get all that dead skin up and stuff, and then I use a cuticle clean bit. That's that. I think it's also known as a snake bit, but I'm not too sure. And that's just getting up any extra dead skin that may have been left from the needle bit. And then I'm going to use a cuticle ball bit to get the dead skin off my cuticles, of course. I didn't have too much dead skin, and whatever is there, I believe I ended up clipping it off anyways with nippers. That's what they're called, nippers. And then I'm gonna use a sanding band to take the shine off my nails. So what is it called? Blending the nail in with blending the tip with the natural nail. I'm going to use some dehydrator and some primer so that nail is on there real good. I believe I did like 3 layers of primer. So yeah, like I said, this nail is not going to come off at all. I don't practice with my thumb. It just get in the way and I don't feel like it. And this is the application really. And this is probably the only good application you're going to see because the other nails just wasn't in frame, and I don't understand why, because I thought I was in frame but I wasn't. So it's whatever. So this one is a full nail, the full detail of everything. And then the rest of the nails they're just gonna pop in and out of screen frame video, whatever it's called. So yeah, just enjoy. I'm now going to encapsulate them because I don't want to mess up my design. But I don't know, maybe you might be able to file the dip powder because it's a dip powder. I'm not sure. I never used the dip powder like where you dip it in there. But I'm pretty sure like if it's a dip powder you can file on it. But I just didn't want to mess up the glitters or anything. So I did clear cap it and stuff. Yeah. Now it's filing and shaping, of course. Gotta file and shape the nails. I'm going in with my cuticles first. I always start with my cuticles first now because it really lets me get the correct shape that I want. I also go up and down on my nails. Sometimes I go side to side. It just depends on how my hand is working that day, but usually up and down. I'm making sure there's no extra acrylic underneath my nail or on the sides and stuff like that. And yeah. I'm sealing in the cuticles just a little more so it's not lifting or anything like that. With this, I don't know what this bit is called. I'll probably have to go very, very, very far in my Amazon to find it, but I did get it on Amazon and it was maybe $7 or something like that. I got it years ago, and now I'm taking my sanding band to um, get where the nail file can't get because I do file the whole nail. So that's the only reason I use the sanding band for. Now I'm using my Tammy Taylor Pill and Stick file to file my nails, get them into a great shape. Um, Also, like I said, file the whole nail, and I'm also checking my nails to make sure they're the same length. I also go on the top of the nail to make sure, and the sides to make sure it's smooth. Buffing the nails up so there's no scratches or anything in the nail. And then I'm going to get the dust off and all that good stuff. So when I did my top coat, I did go underneath my nails so it be shiny and very, very see-through. That's what I wanted. These nails are actually glow in the dark. I did not know that until I did my right hand and put my hand in the light and came back out. So yeah. Now I'm doing cuticle oil And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy it.